Yeah, thank you, Neetu. Thank you, Beena, and all my colleagues. Very good evening to all of you. I'm audible, I hope. Okay? Yeah, yeah. I'm really happy to be associated with you because Kerala, Lakshadweep region is one of the finest regions in terms of work output, commitment, the way they do things and all that. I always appreciate behind your back. Now, today I'm appreciating in front of you. I always quote you in all the meetings and all that. And I send most of your videos, press releases, all that to ministry also. That's one. So now, once again, coming back to our issue. So you have taken a very nice thing by inviting all the people, especially our staff. They should also know about what we are doing. See, as all of you, I don't have to repeat many things. Just briefly about things. We have major units like starting from PIB. PIB has involved in itself in a very great way in terms of dissemination of information on COVID and COVID-related issues, whether it can be precautions, what to do during the COVID period or post-pandemic period and all that. So PIB has been entrusted the task of taking charge of all the units barring the Prasara Bharati to certain extent, even Prasara Bharati to certain extent. So what we have done is we have given lots of releases, we have lots of webinars done, and we also have a bulletin every day, special bulletin which is originating from Delhi and which is disseminated to all the press and media. Then we have a lot of articles written by different experts, doctors, bureaucrats and politicians in terms of dissemination of information. Then when of course this is, I'm just telling you in a very lighter way, but very seriously people have done it with all the commitment. Coming to ROP, of course, many people have done video vans, auto publicity. It can be about posters, it can be about mouth-to-mouth publicity, WhatsApp messages, videos and all that. Of course, Song and Drama division could not move because of the pandemic, but they have also sent their messages, videos and all that. So like that, all the units have done it. During this COVID, we also took some of the testimonials from stakeholders, from doctors, from warriors, and like Doordarshan has done it, radio has done it. We have integrated everybody and we have done with them, and they have done many tweets. So it was a great synergy between electronic media of our Minister of INB and PIB and ROB. So we gave a very nice effort in terms of doing our best. This is one of the massive programs which has been undertaken by Minister of Information Broadcasting, and PIB took the lead role, and every day there were briefings by ministries, briefing by health secretaries, briefing by others, that all we disseminated. So that is from the headquarters and regional point of view. In branches and even in districts, you have done a wonderful job. I remember some of the videos which, that people getting into auto and the car and how they watch the handles and all that. Some of the things done by Lakshadweep and Kerala, I have sent to ministry also. I still remember them. They are very, very nicely done. So now coming to the pandemic and the efforts to be taken by PIB, ROB, Song and Drama, radio, Doordarshan and other organizations. One is we should be careful about our cleanliness, our SOPs, our protocols. Then we should also propagate it to the others. Coming to our cases, most of us were using sanitizing, we were maintaining the distance, we were doing a lot of things and all that. As far as I remember, in Hyderabad, we had 6 cases, 2 symptomatic cases and 4 asymptomatic cases. We have done, our own staff were affected. Then of course, all of them are safe now. Tamil Nadu, we had around 4 cases, and unfortunately, one of our colleagues, that is, she was accountant, she died. So that's a sad thing from our part, from whole of South India. Of course, we had some cases in Bangalore also, 1 or 2 cases in Kerala. What I'm going to say is, see, when we are also doing the publicity, we also go out, we talk to people, we talk to the stakeholders, we talk to the doctors, we talk to the state government officials, we talk to the politicians, we talk to everybody. We are also susceptible to attack. So we can't call ourselves doctors or warriors by ourselves. But we have also taken 10 to 20% of the risk which they have taken. So that's why we are also affected. We have not slept at home and we just didn't keep quiet. So in this effort, I congratulate all of you, especially the field officers who are at the district levels who have done a wonderful job and made this publicity a grand success, which ministry is looking at it in a very positive perspective. See, what happens is we send everything to Delhi and we have an everyday video conference in the morning and we interact with them. Then the secretary briefs the empowered group on COVID. Then the empowered group briefs the PM. So they are, I can say, fairly satisfied with all the work we have done with the limited resources, limited human resources and also financial resources. And as Neetu was telling, with zero budget, many people have done a good job. It's a very nice thing. So on this occasion, I could have spent more time and discussed with you many things, but because of this cyclone, we have an NDRF meeting in Delhi that they have given a release. We are coordinating with 2 states, that's Andhra and Tamil Nadu, and we are giving the feedback to them. So I may not be here for a long time, but I will get the minutes and I'll read the minutes. So with these few words, one is you be very careful, you be very cautious. Only 3 things are important. As I said, now I am in a closed room, so I am not wearing a mask. Otherwise, when you step out of the room, kindly wear mask. And when you are traveling in any vehicle, including your personal vehicle, when there are 2 people, kindly wear a mask. Mask will cut down to 80% of your COVID attack. Second, as far as possible, wash your hands. If it's not available, have a sanitizer and sanitize yourself every half an hour, 1 hour. Don't go to important crowded places. Third is maintain as far as possible distance. If these 3 things are followed meticulously, I think you'll not have a problem. That's one. This is for our staff members and our staff family members. Part 2 is the same thing. You should also give publicity to others. It can be your friends, it can be your media personnel, it can be others who are around you or through your media. So, we have taken the responsibility to be safe by ourselves and also to be very committed in terms of propagating this message to outsiders. So these are the two tasks we have to do. So with these few words, sorry, I once again congratulate everybody who has done a very nice job, especially in the Kerala region. And now I would like to release this document, which has been once again produced in-house, and it's a very nice thing. You please send it to me. Tomorrow we have a video conference at 9 o'clock with the secretary and JS. I will send it across to them and also tell that we have done this. Earlier 2 we had it, one from Lakshadweep, one from Kerala. Those 2 videos I have already sent. This also I will send it to Delhi. So with this, I formally release this document, and please you can release the document. With this few words, I thank Neetu, Beena, Devan, all other colleagues, all my friends, and the guest faculty who is a doctor for participating in this webinar. Thank you.